Hi everyone, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative, just showing you how to make this adorable little teacup. So it's really cute. You could put some little chocolates or some lollies in there. Really cute teacups, and they are made with our Uniquely Creative 3D teacup die. So this is the die here, and let me show you how you do it. Okay, so you get all your little die pieces and you just cut them out. One of all of these, and you need two of this teacup. So what I've done is I've just folded my piece of cardstock in half. I've popped my die on. I've run it through my Big Shot machine. So when it pops out, I get two, and they are exactly the right way. And then I've also got one of the insides, and I've cut out the two base pieces. That's these little guys here. And there's also, for decorating, two little tags and a little heart. So I've cut one out of everything out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just folding up these little tabs. There is a little score line on there. So I'm just going to fold up these little tabs, and I'm going to put some tape on the inside. So I'm just going to grab the tape, put a piece there. I am just using regular 6mm tape here because I am hopeless at using a tape runner on such little fine spaces like that. Now we're just going to pop those aside. We're going to grab the inside piece here, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to use a ruler just to rest it on there. Now they are all scored, but if you just fold them like this on there and then just flip it over and do the same like that, and then we're going to do the same on these edges here. Okay, so now what you do is you flip it over and you tape up on the outside all the edges. Now I have just already done that just to save some time, so they're all taped up. Now we're going to grab these two pieces of our teacup again, and we're just going to peel off that we put on the inside, and on the middle one we're going to fold that little flap in, and we are just going to tape it underneath, and we are going to do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm just going to fold that little flap in, we're going to tape it on the bottom, so it's starting to look like that. Now we're going to take off this tape from the inside edge, and we're going to tape it up on both sides, and we're then going to start with the assembly of the inside of the die. So we're going to do these two little ones down the bottom. Oops, here's a jumper, and we're just going to tape it, turning it around and taping it. So we've just taped those two pieces in. Then we're going to do these next two pieces, and we're just going to follow the edge of the teacup. So I'm just going to follow the edge of the teacup and tape it down there. I'm going to peel this off, and I'll just get a little bit closer. I'm just going to follow the edge of the teacup and just tape it down. Whoops, not quite there. There. Like that. So you see how the teacup is starting to take shape? Same still with this side. We are just going to pop it in. So the bottom one done. The other bottom one, just going to tape that one in too. And then we've just got to follow the edge of the teacup with these last two inside ones. So peel that one off and follow the edge of the teacup, and this one, and we're going to follow the edge of the teacup. Ta-da! And then we've made our little freestanding teacup. So now all we need to do is grab some tape and tape our bases together like that, and it has made the teacup. So then we've also got these little guys here which we can decorate with. Now these could be like little tea bag handles to make a little tea bag hanging over the edge. You could tie it onto the handle like we have done here. So just tied them together, make a little decoration. Now the last thing I just want to show you is on the teacup edge here. See how on this one here it's quite low? We've cut that down just to make a little teacup, and we've left it like this when we design the die. So before you taped it together, when you've got your teacup piece cut out, you could run an edge die along there or a punch along there just to make a nice little fancy edge. Or we've left it, you can leave it like this. So this one we've cut down a wee bit, and that one we've left high so you can stand a taller biscuit in there. The other thing you also could do if you wanted to close it when we left it high was put a little hole punch in there, and then you could tie it closed, so you can make a little closed teacup like that. So that's the other thought with this die. So this die is available on our website, uniquelycreative.com.au, and it is also available through other retailers throughout Australia. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you soon. Bye.